What's going on, guys? Lone Driver Mike again, bringing you another video. Guys, you're not gonna believe this. My car took a dump on me. You know, I keep buying these used cars, from my friend, and these cars, they have all these problems, man. I just fixed the starter 2 months ago. The starter is brand new, right? So it cannot be the starter. The starter is brand new. It cost me a lot of money. They overcharged me a little bit, I think. It was like $600 for the new part and to install it. So that cost $600 for a new starter. But look, my car won't start. The lights are on, so I don't know what you know what I'm saying? All the lights, everything works. So check this out. Look, I'm putting my key in there. I'm about to start it. So what the fuck? Look what happens. Lights, making the sounds. I mean, all the lights come on. Makes that clicking noise. So what the fuck? So my car broke down Wednesday night. I had a freaking delivery, caviar, had to cancel it. Felt bad for the customer, but I got free food, but that's not the, the problem is freaking now I can't work. And, someone from the group actually responded to my help, my SOS. I didn't think someone would actually come out and help me out, but I posted a, hey guys, can you come out and help me out in the group, in my gig economy group. I own the group. I'm the one that manages it and controls it. I'm the only one in charge. So I posted it. I'm like, hey, can someone help me out here? My car won't start. Yeah, so I had someone from the group come out, and he's actually a subscriber of mine also. So I want to thank that guy. I don't have him as a friend, but he responded. He said, I'm on the way, sir. And he does Grubhub and Lyft and all that kind of stuff. So, he knows how it goes. But we tried to jump my car, didn't work. We let it charge on the jumper cables. We connected our cars and all that, and it didn't run. It didn't start right up. So I think the battery's completely dead. I don't know if it's the alternator, because all the lights work. Usually when your alternator goes out, your lights don't work. So I think the battery's just bad. But I'm about to just throw this car away, guys, because this is like, let me try again. I don't know. So this car's been sitting here. I got 2 parking tickets, but at least they didn't put a boot on it. At least they didn't tow it away, because they can tow it away if it sits there too long. See that? I just don't understand, guys. So, fuck. So I'm going to have to go back on a bicycle till I save up. You know what? I'm just going to have to get a new car. This is why I should not buy used cars anymore. I mean, I've had new cars before, and they run good. They don't break down. And depending on the dealership, they have warranties and all that kind of stuff, and they're willing to help out and fix the car if it breaks down. But if you have a new car, let's say 2015 or newer, those don't break down, dude. You know what I'm saying? This is 2005. It broke down. My other car was 2003. That broke down. And I just fixed this car 2 months ago because it wouldn't start. It was a starter. So the starter's brand fucking new. So I'm pissed. So I don't know if you guys have any comments or what this problem is. Maybe I can fix it. Maybe it's a quick fix. I tried to wiggle the cables. Maybe it's like a loose connection for the battery cables, but I have no idea. So, I'm pissed right now, guys. But anyways, guys, yeah, I don't know. Comment below. Tell me what you guys think. Should I fix the car, or fucking should I just do bicycle, man? Because, man, I did it last year. If you guys remember, I did this last year on the bike, and I made at least 100 a day, and I didn't have to spend no gas or anything like that. So, or insurance or whatever for the car, registration. So, man, seriously, man, I'm about to just give up on these fucking used cars. I'm going to wait till I have fucking enough money for a new car. Because I already went to a dealership in Lodi. He said he would approve me You know, because he's like, oh, you make a lot of money, your credit's bad, but you make a lot of money, but you just need $1,000 down, because I tried to trade this car in, but he said this car's too old and all that kind of stuff. So he just said I need $1,000 down payment, and that's it. So, you know, I have a little bit saved up, so I just need to work a few weeks, and plus I could do Uber and Lyft again. You know what I'm saying? So, you know what, man, fuck this. I'm just going to call Pick and Pull, get rid of this car. I think they give me at least a couple $100 if there's no damage to it. There's no damage. So, yeah, I'm just going to call Pick and Pull maybe, but I don't know. Maybe you guys can help me out or something. Maybe I can charge my battery, and maybe that's it. Maybe it just needs a new battery. I mean, $100, I mean, that's not bad. Most batteries are like $100, but anyways, guys, tell me what you guys think, man. I'm stuck downtown here. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting me. Please like, comment, subscribe. And that's it, guys. Alright. See ya.